Are you tossing and turning every night, unable to fall asleep because of stress, only to wake up more stressed and exhausted the next day? It's a vicious cycle, and breaking free might be easier than you think. Let's uncover the secrets to a calmer mind and restful nights. Stress and sleep are deeply interconnected, each impacting the other in a continuous loop. Stress can rob you of your sleep, while poor sleep increases your body's stress response, leaving you trapped in an endless cycle of fatigue and anxiety. This video will dive deep into understanding stress, its effects on sleep, and actionable steps to break the cycle. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed, battling insomnia, or just curious, stick around to learn strategies for reclaiming your peace of mind and sleep. What is stress? Stress is your body's natural response to challenges or demands. It triggers the fight or flight response, releasing hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. While stress can sometimes motivate us to perform under pressure, chronic stress leads to physical and mental exhaustion, affecting every aspect of your life. Symptoms include irritability, fatigue, difficulty concentrating, muscle tension, and even changes in appetite or sleep patterns. What can we do if we are feeling stress? Acknowledge and identify stressors. Recognize what's causing your stress. Is it work-related deadlines, personal relationships, or health concerns? Identifying the root cause is the first step to addressing it. Practice relaxation techniques. Deep breathing. Inhale deeply for 4 counts, hold for 4, and exhale for 6. Progressive muscle relaxation. Tense and relax muscle groups, starting from your toes up to your head. Adopt healthy lifestyle changes. Regular physical activity helps reduce cortisol levels. A balanced diet can stabilize energy and mood. Time management. Prioritize tasks and set realistic goals to reduce overwhelm. Talk it out. Share your feelings with a trusted friend or consider professional counseling. Why sleep is important. Sleep is not just rest, it's a crucial period for the brain and body to recover and recharge. Mental health. Sleep helps regulate emotions and reduce anxiety. Cognitive function. During sleep, your brain processes memories and information. Physical health. Adequate sleep supports immune function, heart health, and hormone balance. How sleep matters in stress, a deeper look. Sleep plays a crucial role in managing stress by regulating the body's physiological and psychological responses. When you're well rested, your brain and body are better equipped to handle challenges calmly and effectively. Conversely, sleep deprivation creates a biological environment conducive to stress. Cortisol, the primary stress hormone, rises significantly when sleep is inadequate, disrupting the body's natural rhythm and increasing feelings of anxiety and tension. This heightened state of arousal makes it difficult to relax, perpetuating the cycle of stress. The effects of poor sleep extend beyond hormonal imbalances. The prefrontal cortex, responsible for logical reasoning and decision-making, becomes impaired when sleep deprived. This leads to impulsive reactions and poor judgment, often escalating situations that could otherwise be handled rationally. Simultaneously, the amygdala, the brain's emotional center, becomes overactive, causing exaggerated responses to minor stressors. This imbalance makes even everyday challenges feel insurmountable, increasing stress levels exponentially. Sleep deprivation also disrupts the brain's ability to process emotions and consolidate memories. During deep sleep, the brain organizes and stores information, which helps in learning and problem solving. Without this critical restorative phase, unresolved emotions linger, leading to heightened irritability and a reduced ability to cope with stress. Furthermore, lack of sleep impairs communication between different brain regions, making it harder to analyze situations clearly and react appropriately. In the long term, chronic sleep deprivation exacerbates the physical toll of stress on the body. It weakens the immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses and reducing your ability to recover quickly. The cardiovascular system also suffers, as persistent high cortisol levels contribute to increased blood pressure and a higher risk of heart disease. These health issues, coupled with ongoing stress, create a downward spiral that is difficult to escape without addressing the root cause: poor sleep. Sleep quality also directly impacts energy levels, mood, and productivity. When you're sleep deprived, you're more likely to experience fatigue, low motivation, and difficulty concentrating. These effects make managing daily responsibilities more challenging, creating additional sources of stress. Over time, the cumulative effects of poor sleep diminish your resilience, leaving you feeling overwhelmed and emotionally drained. Stress relief strategies. Sleep hygiene. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Limit screen time an hour before bed to reduce blue light exposure. Create a calming bedtime routine with activities like reading or meditating. Mindfulness practices. Meditation. Spend 10 minutes focusing on your breath or a mantra. Yoga. Incorporate gentle poses to relax the body and mind. Natural remedies. Herbal teas like chamomile or valerian root can promote relaxation. Aromatherapy with lavender oil has calming effects. Stress journaling. Write down your worries and end with 3 things you're grateful for. Seek professional help. If stress or sleep issues persist, consult a therapist or sleep specialist. Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, CBTI, is a proven method to improve sleep by addressing negative thought patterns. Understanding stress, a silent epidemic. Stress is an inevitable part of life, stemming from various sources such as work, relationships, health, and financial challenges. At its core, stress is the body's response to perceived threats or pressures, triggering the release of hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. These hormones prepare us to react quickly, enhancing focus and energy. While short-term stress can motivate us to meet deadlines or tackle challenges, prolonged exposure to stress becomes detrimental. Chronic stress can lead to physical issues such as hypertension, weakened immunity, and digestive problems, as well as mental health conditions like anxiety and depression. Recognizing stress as a multifaceted issue is the first step toward managing it effectively. The physical impact of stress. When stress becomes chronic, it wreaks havoc on the body. Cortisol, the primary stress hormone, disrupts nearly every bodily function when persistently elevated. It weakens the immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses. Stress-induced muscle tension can lead to headaches, back pain, and fatigue. The cardiovascular system also takes a hit, with increased risks of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. Additionally, stress alters appetite, leading to unhealthy eating habits that contribute to weight gain or malnutrition. Understanding these physical impacts emphasizes the importance of managing stress for overall well-being. The connection between stress and sleep. Stress and sleep share a complex and reciprocal relationship. Stress increases arousal, making it difficult to fall or stay asleep. At the same time, poor sleep exacerbates stress by impairing emotional regulation and decision-making. This vicious cycle often begins with a single sleepless night due to a stressful event, followed by increased stress due to sleep deprivation. Over time, the lack of restorative sleep leads to chronic stress and fatigue. Breaking this cycle requires addressing both the causes of stress and the barriers to sleep, ensuring the body and mind get the rest they need. Why sleep is a non-negotiable for health. Sleep is not just a passive state, it is a vital process during which the brain and body repair and rejuvenate. During deep sleep stages, the brain clears out toxins, consolidates memories, and restores cognitive functions. Physically, sleep supports the immune system, regulates hormones, and repairs tissues. Chronic sleep deprivation, however, disrupts these processes, leading to poor concentration, weakened immunity, and increased risks of chronic diseases like diabetes and obesity. Furthermore, a lack of sleep impairs emotional stability, making it harder to handle stress effectively. Prioritizing sleep is critical for a healthy, balanced life. How stress affects sleep quality. Stress significantly impacts sleep quality, disrupting both the duration and depth of sleep. When you're stressed, the brain remains hyperactive, preventing it from entering deep, restorative sleep stages. Even if you manage to fall asleep, frequent awakenings and shallow sleep leave you feeling unrefreshed. Stress also alters the production of melatonin, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep. Over time, this leads to a sleep debt that intensifies the body's stress response, creating a feedback loop that becomes increasingly difficult to break without intervention. Practical ways to manage stress. Managing stress requires a combination of lifestyle changes and practical strategies. One of the most effective methods is incorporating regular physical activity into your routine, as exercise releases endorphins, the body's natural stress relievers. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation and yoga, are equally powerful in calming the mind and reducing cortisol levels. Establishing boundaries, like saying no to excessive commitments, also helps prevent burnout. Additionally, connecting with others through meaningful conversations or support groups provides emotional relief. These practices create a holistic approach to reducing stress and its effects on sleep. Improving sleep hygiene to combat stress. Good sleep hygiene is essential for breaking the stress-sleep cycle. Start by maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, even on weekends, to regulate your body's internal clock. Create a calming bedtime routine that includes dim lighting, reading, or gentle stretches. Eliminate distractions from your sleep environment by keeping it dark, quiet, and cool. Avoid caffeine and heavy meals close to bedtime, as they can interfere with sleep quality. These small yet impactful adjustments can significantly improve sleep patterns, helping to reduce the effects of stress on your life. The role of mindfulness in sleep and stress relief. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for addressing both stress and sleep disturbances. By focusing on the present moment and letting go of intrusive thoughts, mindfulness helps reduce the mental clutter that often keeps us awake. Techniques like progressive muscle relaxation and guided imagery can ease the transition to sleep, while regular meditation lowers cortisol levels and enhances emotional resilience. Studies show that mindfulness-based stress reduction (MBSR) programs improve sleep quality and reduce symptoms of stress, providing a sustainable approach to long-term well-being.